Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily resolve Wi-Fi connectivity problems. At first, you have to go into the settings of your phone, over here, and Wi-Fi, over here, connections, Wi-Fi. So at first I do recommend to tap this gear icon near your current network and tap forget. Now reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Wait a moment. Let me forget that. Now let's connect to the same network back again. It should resolve any connectivity issues that you might had with your that you might have had with your Wi-Fi network. It's that easy, and it should fix and clear any glitch in the connection. But if that didn't help you, reboot your router and your phone. Power cycle your Wi-Fi router, so actually you have to just unplug it for 10 seconds, then plug it back into your outlet, and then when it restarts, power will also reboot your Samsung phone. To reboot your Samsung phone, you have to just wait a moment, hold the buttons, volume down button and the power button, and tap restart. This should resolve the issue because this often resolves temporary networks conflicts or some IP address issues. Now let's wait until our phone turns on back. Now, as you can see, it's turned on, and here now let me unlock it. One, two, three, four, and okay. Now you shouldn't have any connectivity issues, but if you do, I do recommend to check the network band. To do so, open Link back again, open connections and Wi-Fi back again. Here, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi icon, and near this Wi-Fi we have 5. This 5 means that it is the 5 GHz connection mode, and here in the name we have 5G as well. So yes, that might be the issue actually. And through the phone connects to the correct Wi-Fi band. If your router has both 2.3 GHz and 5 GHz networks, try connecting to this one, which is the 5 near this icon, to ensure that you will have faster speeds and less interference. Use 2.4 GHz only if you need extended range or if 5 GHz is unavailable. Apart from that, I do recommend to as well check for the interference. So if you are using the 2.3 GHz band, sometimes the phone's Bluetooth might interfere with this band. So here I'm on the other phone currently. Here, as you can see, this is my iPhone, and here I do have Bluetooth enabled. Tap that, disable Bluetooth. This should resolve any connectivity issues actually. Of course, if you're using 2.0 GHz band, if you're using 5 GHz, you don't really have to check that. And apart from that, I do recommend to reset network settings if the problem still persists. So go to the settings main menu and scroll down till you see general management. Here, tap the reset over here, and now scroll down till you see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap reset settings, and now all settings, like for example Wi-Fi networks or any other things, are resetted to the 0. You have to add your Wi-Fi networks back again to your phone, and now your issue should be fixed. But if it still isn't fixed, try checking if you are not connected with your neighbors, for example, Wi-Fi network, or try connecting to a different one. Or if the issue still persists, as I said, you have to go to the authorized service because your hardware may be just broken, and not mainly broken, but bugged, and it's mainly because this phone is somehow new. Samsung may have released some bugged versions. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like at this video. It's very important to us because we try to change our videos up to your feedback. And that's it. As I said, hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.